Hey everyone, Monkey Wrench Mike here. We are back with another IAA Auto Auction walk around video as I get myself really dizzy. Yeah, we're having fun out here. They have graciously let me inside to kind of see if any of these cars are for me. If you've been watching the channel, if you know what I do, you know that I need a tow vehicle. Shh, shh. Don't tell the GL450. Don't tell the GL450 anything. But she's going away. Yeah, she doesn't drive very well. So we're going to say goodbye to that car, and we are on the hunt, on the prowl for another one. Let's see what we can find. Mike. Yay!
I'm in the car.
Well, I thought I would maybe try to talk some sense into the GL 450 by making her a little bit jealous. Check out this. It's a newer one, the newer buddy. 2016 Mercedes-Benz GL. What is this, 550? 4MATIC 450. So it's just like mine, but newer and a different color, but very similar in the back. Let's see if there's any power. Does not seem to be power. Okay. Well, let's talk about the differences. Can you see the headlights? They're a little bit different. Okay, so this, she did take a hit right here, and that's why I got her so inexpensively. Okay, so never mind this. Let's see how the headlights have changed. A little more rounded, swervy, sexy than right here. Okay. See how they changed the fog lights from this to the LEDs right there? Look at that. That's a good looking color. This is a flood car. Okay. So I don't know what we're going to get, but it's a different color, and you know, Mikey likes different. Okay. What kind of a little person drove this car? Oh, okay. Wow. Yeah, this is a flood. Oh, whoosh. And there's no power at all. Okay. This is very similar to mine. This is different. This is very different right here. You got a better center console right there. The seats look like they're more comfortable. Mine don't have the most comforting seats. Mine are all vinyl. This part feels vinyl. Maybe this part is leather or not. I don't know. This is a nice touch here with the stitching on the door. And this is that matte wood look right here, which Mikey likes. But the, oh, the smell. Oh, the smell. Okay. Yeah, okay. Well, we know the dirt got up to there. So the water at least got to the floorboard. No, it got to right there. She went in the water deep. There's your water line right there. See, right over here too, on the B-pillar. She took water, so that means everything under here was underneath. Wow. She has two sunroofs. My sunroof is in the back for the third seat people, but that's okay. This, I like it. I love the color. But the battery's dead, and it's a flood vehicle. Lots of tread on the tires. Has she been used as a tow vehicle? No, because you would see scratching and all of that right here. So that's a plus, but I can't open this. Wow. So this is a contender, folks. This is a contender. Let's look in the engine real quickly and see if any water maybe got into the oil, because that would be bad. But let's see if I can open the hood. Hope you're not getting dizzy. And we'll kind of see what we're working with. Okay. Here it is. Okay, same. Ooh, that was wet. Yeah. So it got up to there. Ooh, okay, yeah. The hood pull was wet. Still wet. And here we go. Ooh, this looks different. Looks very different. Okay, but All the water, it's all up into here. See this? See the leaves and everything right there? Yeah. Woo! This water got high. The compressor was submerged. See, there's even debris right there. Yeah, this water got very high. Very, very high. But these engines are really sealed well. Doggone it. Do I pull it? I don't even know what it is. How much the bidding is, I don't know. But I'm going to go to IAA.com and I'm going to check this out. Mercedes-Benz approves these oils. I approve this car. Mikey, likey. Nothing against you, my pretty. Nothing against you. But that's gorgeous. Wow. How about a 2016 Lexus LS? All-wheel drive, baby. Yes, sir. This is right up Mikey's alley. Mikey likey these cars. Wow. The LS pedigree, impeccable. This is a good-looking car. Why are you here, my pretty? Why? There's nothing wrong with you. Detailed. Let's just kind of see what's going on here. 104,000 miles. It's collision. I don't think they're keys. Okay. Well, let's just kind of see what else. How much is a newer Lexus key? Yeah. I don't know. I love this though. What would I do with a car as reliable as a Lexus? I don't even know. I wouldn't know. Oh, you get a little, okay. How nice is this? Yes, because this is too much. You got to lay your hand down and you get to do this. Wow. This is really nice. There's no power, but there is a key. So you do get it. It's like a brick. It's dead. She's dead as can be. But look how nice this is. Wow. Okay. Heated and cooled seats. You got your display. Wood steering wheel that is really small. This seems to be a lot smaller than the older Lexus that I am familiar with. All automatic windows. 3-position seating right there. Room in the back. Oh, this is huge. You get all kinds of room back here. Of course, that seat was way up there. Oh, this is nice. Very, very reminiscent of an S500 right there, or 600, but this works. They go back up and they stay. Mine did not. Okay. Seat covers. Floor covers, I mean, check. Wow. This is a nice girl. This is a beautiful. Oh my goodness. Mikey's got to up his game. Let's take a look at the engine real quick. I wish I could start these cars. I wish I could show you more. Oh, it's already. Somebody already pulled it. Oh well, okay, let's see. Let's see what's kind of going on here. I don't think it's open. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so the cable's broken. Well, dagnabbit. Okay, there we go. Beautiful Lexus. This is definitely on my list, as are you. Mighty newer GL. Mighty old GL. Still looking good though. I love you, but hubba, hubba, hubba. Alrighty, how about a coupe? Yep, look at this little Beamer. Love, love, love my 3 Series Beamers. This one happens to be a 2007 BMW 3 Series in pretty good shape. I'm not getting anywhere near that fence. I am not touching it. I'm not opening the door. No siree, Bob. Look at the wheels. No damage except for the windshield. Well, okay, there's a little bit of damage here on the bumper. It's cracked right there. But other than that, this is a good-looking car. Wow. This is probably faded paint, I'm guessing. Yeah. Yeah. She is locked up. Let's see if we can take a look on the inside. I love the wheels. I just really like those wheels and how they fill the wheel well. And the look of the coupe, I really, really do. This is a beautiful car. And she, oh my, okay. Well, she's a smoker and a toker and a midnight joker.
I'm a joker, I'm a smoker, I'm a midnight toker.
Wow.
I get my loving on the run.
Okay, somebody smoked a lot in this car. I mean, a lot. Wow. Okay, you get your floor mats. Seats are in pretty good condition. You know, I've seen much, much, much worse. Typical dash, which looks good. There's where all your smell's coming from. And of course, every orifice in this vehicle. But I like this though. I really do. I really do. This is a good looking little car. Tan and black or charcoal or something right there. Wow. She's pretty. She is really nice. Let's see if I can reach in here and undo the hood. Hold on. Okay, we're back. There is some battery left. That's a good sign. Okay. Let's just kind of check out the engine and see what we got here. Oh, come on, Mike. Remember. You got to remember this stuff. There it is. There it is. Sorry about the camera work. Oh, that's not going to stay up. Wow. That's heavy. Woo! Okay, here you go. Engine looks pretty good. Has anybody been in here in a minute? No, not really. Look how dirty that power steering reservoir is. You got stuff coming out somewhere. Okay. Air intake is off a little bit. Other than that, this looks kind of like my 135. Yeah, this looks like the bummer beamer on the inside here. This looks a lot like that bummer beamer. I'm getting chills. I'm getting a little scared. But it looks okay. Wow. Okay, we're gonna just let this fall. There it is. Okay. This is a contender. This is really a contender. I do like this. I love those wheels. I love the look. I love the rear end. Okay, I don't see a whole lot of damage though. Just some clear coat peel. Oh, I almost touched that. Oh, that would have been bad. Okay, just some clear coat issues on the bumper. No body damage other than that. And paint on the top. She's gonna need some good paint. Yeah, she's gonna need some help up there. Okay, well, I like it. I really do. That's a good looking Beamer. Beautiful. That's going to do it. This brings us to the close of another walk around video. Thanks to the good folks at IAA. I'm having fun out here by myself, but I need my friend. I need to go find Randy and see what he's found, because he finds all the good cars. I love this one. I really do. We saw some cool cars today. This is pretty amazing, and it's a lot of fun. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for tagging along. If you did like, please let me know. Give me a thumbs up and a comment or two. If you didn't, give me a thumbs down or say something negative, and I'll just ignore you for the rest of my life. Okay, folks, thanks for watching. Please like, please subscribe, and I'll see you again very, very soon. Hug those kids if you got them, okay?